Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. Today we're going to be working on a really quick nail design, and when I say really quick, I mean quick. I had literally 45 minutes to get out the door and half an hour to dedicate to this particular nail set. So I've already started with my nails prepped, and I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol and removing any dust or debris. I'm going to dehydrate and prime my nails. Next, I'm going to be adding Madame Glam's base gel. I'm going to apply a thin coat to all of my nails and then go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So once that's had a chance to cure, I'm going to go ahead and grab my nail tips that I'm using today, which are the mini sculpture coffin tips from Nail Couture. I've already sized those out. I'm going to be using that same base gel to adhere these, and I just go ahead and put a little bit of that into the well of the nail. I line that up with my cuticle area. I push forwards towards my free edge so that if I have any excess, it shoots out there as opposed to the cuticle area. And then I just flash cure that with my little LED lamp that I have there in front. Once I've done that, I will go ahead and do a total cure in my lamp for a full 30 seconds. Once that's fully cured, I'm going to go ahead and grab my file and I'm just going to refine the shape. I'm going to remove all of the shine off the top of the nail as well as go around my cuticle area just to make that a little more flush with my natural nail so that you don't see a big bump there, and that way it doesn't look like a press on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll meet you guys back for the next step. Using rubbing alcohol, I'm going to remove any dust or debris that I have. You can also wash your hands if you prefer to do that, but for me it's quicker just to use a little bit of alcohol and clean that up. So for this next step, I'm going to be using Madame Glam's Perfect Black, and again that base gel. I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin layer of base gel, and then I'm going to apply 2 coats of that Perfect Black. I'm making sure to cure each layer in between. And just a little side note on that Perfect Black, if you are using a very opaque black, it is a good idea to go ahead and cure a little bit longer. So for example, I cure the Perfect Black for 60 seconds, where all other layers I would do for 30 seconds in my lamp. So if you ever have trouble with your blacks not curing completely, just add a little bit of time in your lamp. On my palette, I have some Perfect Silver and Perfect White from Madame Glam. I'm going to be using a detail brush to go ahead and draw a Christmas tree, and this is going to be a very simple Christmas tree. I'm going to start by drawing a simple triangle in the silver. Once I'm happy with the shape of the triangle, I am going to go ahead and do a quick flash cure in my lamp just to set that, because for the next step I want to be able to have the opportunity to wipe it away if I don't like that. So just be sure that once you're happy with your triangle that you just go ahead and cure that for a little bit in your lamp. With the white polish, I'm just going to go ahead and add some little swish marks across the triangle that we created for that tree. And you can see here I didn't like that first one, so I'm just going to erase that with my finger and go back in and redraw it. Once I'm happy with the shape of those, I'm going to go ahead and cure that again. At the top of the tree, I'm going to go ahead and use a dotting tool and just make a small white dot, and then I'm going to take my detail brush and I'm going to pull lines out from that dot so that they get thinner as they go out, so that it looks like a star that's shining above the tree there. Once I'm happy with that, again, I'm going to go ahead and cure. And this time I'm going to do a total cure on those polishes just to make sure they're totally set. At this point, I'm going to apply some matte top coat, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Once that's cured, I'm going to go in with a shiny no wipe top coat, and I'm just going to go over the tree and the star to bring back the luster in that glitter that we had placed down in that silver. And again, I'm going to cure. For the next part of this, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some stones real quick, and I'm using some stone gel. And then I'm going to go right over that with my matte top coat so that I don't have to fiddle with that after I place the stones. I'm going to grab my stones and go ahead and place that with my tool. And then I'm going to flash cure that, apply matte top coat to the black nails that I haven't done so far, and then cure that all together for a total cure. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave those down below. I did change the placement on my thumb a little bit so you can see the other design there that I ended up switching it to. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.